Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hafaz, and with my partner here, Fatezi.
And my name is Fauzan Hidayat Tanjung.
And for today, in this class, we're going to learn about speaking skills, especially for beginner level for teenagers. So due to the time limit, we don't have much time, around 20 minutes. So we don't go through far explanation about speaking skills. We don't going to have like a discussion or some debate. But because this is a beginning for beginner class, we're going to use the communicative language teaching method. So I'm not the one who speak here, but everyone will speak with each other. We also going to have some interaction with everyone. Yeah. So in this class, first of all, I will be the model. I will try to give the examples of the activities that we're going to do today. And for the activities, today is describing something. So the goal is that you can say something in English even though it just some sentences. It doesn't need to be a far explanation. Tidak perlu menjelaskan suatu hal dengan cara yang detail. Akan tetapi hanya beberapa kalimat yang mana itu menjelaskan suatu hal itu sudah cukup. And for the topic itu tentang dream house. Oke, jadi kita hari ini akan belajar bagaimana cara menjelaskan dream house, rumah impian kita masing-masing, dengan beberapa kalimat. Karena ini adalah kelas beginner, so we don't go terlalu jauh. Okay, and as you can see in this board, ini ada beberapa kata yang kita bisa gunakan untuk menjelaskan rumah impian kita. Contohnya seperti ini. First of all, I will give a paper and then you will draw your own dream house. It doesn't need to be like a beautiful or you can draw it by your own way. Tidak perlu bagus sangat, tidak perlu yang jelek. Tidak dinilai jelek ataupun bagus gitu. Yang penting gambar itu akan digunakan untuk kalian bicara dengan teman-teman kalian nantinya. Contohnya seperti ini. Ini gambar yang sangat simple. This is my dream house. Only me that can understand this actually. But yeah, contohnya kayak gini. So you will show it to your friend and then say, this is my dream house. It has 2 floors. And in the front of the house, there's a garden. I always play with my family here. And what I love from my house is my bedroom is so beautiful. That's for example. Jadi kalian hari ini akan mencoba untuk menjelaskan seperti itu dengan metode yang nanti akan dibagikan kelompok berpasangan karena kita ada 10. Jadi kita akan jadi 5 kelompok. Kemudian nanti ada sesi repetitionnya. So you will tell the same thing to your friend, but later on you will tukar teman. Okay, got it? That's what we will do today. You can use this example, this sentence. This is my house, for example. There is 2 bedroom, or there is a bedroom, or there are 2 kitchens. And then I sleep in my bedroom every night, or I cook in my kitchen. It doesn't need to be that details. You don't need to use a hard vocabulary because since this is the beginner level, so it's fine. For example, I television because I always watch TV every morning. Okay, that is the example for our activities today. So I hope you understand. And now kita akan bagi kelompok. Jadi tiap kelompok itu mungkin bisa pilih pasangan masing-masing. Tiap kelompok ya 2 orang. Tiap kelompok 2 orang. Ada 5 kelompok. Tiap kelompok 2 orang. Terpilih 2 orang. Oke. Bisa mulai terus pilih pasangannya masing-masing.
Mainan di Samsuan. What is Samsuan?
Okay, now you can draw your own dream house. I will give you around 10 minutes to draw, and we also give you like vocabularies of house that you can use it to describe your house. Okay? Jadi ada vocabulary furniture house yang bisa kalian pakai, yang kami berikan bisa kalian pakai untuk referensi dari your own dream house.
Okay, you guys got it, right? Alright, now tell me one thing about your friend's house, Yawul.
So my friend, in my friend house there is a table and then 2 chairs, and then in front of it there are 2 windows, and maybe in the outside there are 2 trees and little bit of garden. So that's
Alright. Now, Adela, what?
Okay, so Diaul's dream house is a big house. It has 2 floors with a lot of rooms. So in Diaul's dream house, there is also a car garage on top of the roof. So that's it.
Okay, let's applaud for that.
Oke, so that's all for today. Kita sudah belajar speaking dengan menceritakan rumah impian antara satu sama yang lain dengan menggunakan communicative language teaching method and repetition. So I hope today class will be meaningful dan bisa diterapkan di kegiatan sehari-hari supaya lebih terbiasa dalam berbicara bahasa Inggris. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.